Hello and Namaskar, welcome to D&V Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these awesome vegan besan ladoos. So let's get started. It is a very basic 3-ingredient recipe. We will need 2 cups of besan, 1 cup of sugar and half a cup of melted butter. For the butter, I have used a plant-based unsalted butter. Now, here are 2 ingredients which are completely optional. You can add them if you want. Half a cup of chopped almond and cashew for the nutty flavor and half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. We will set a heavy bottom pan in the lowest of flame and pour in the melted butter, giving it a little stir while waiting for the butter to warm up. Adding in the besan over here. In this step, we are going to be mixing the besan well with the butter. This is one of the most important steps in making a good besan laddu. One other thing that we need to keep in mind is that the entire recipe should be done in the lowest of flame. Besan itself is very prone to burn when cooked at a high temperature. For roasting the besan properly and getting rid of the raw smell of it, we'll have to keep stirring it continuously and slow roast it for approximately 40 to 45 minutes. In about time, you'll be able to see that the besan mixture has started to release oil and has started to come together. This is how it should look once it's done. And now we are going to be adding in the nuts and the cardamom powder. Mix it all together properly. You can skip this step altogether if you do not want nuts in your laddu. Keep mixing till it all comes together really well. We will keep roasting it till it reaches a nice baked brown color. Once it's done, we are going to be setting aside our besan mixture in a separate bowl and we are going to let it cool off completely. When the mixture has reached a lukewarm temperature, add in the sugar. Mix it all together till the sugar is completely dissolved. It is really important to make sure that we are not adding the sugar when the mixture is hot, or else the sugar will crystallize. This is how the dough should look like when it's done. Finally, it's time to shape the laddus. Scoop a little mixture and give it a round shape by rolling it in between your palm. Last but not the least, you can garnish the laddus with a little bit of chopped pistachios on the top. When the garnishing is done, set the laddus aside for at least 30 more minutes and then it's ready to be served. Your perfect melting in the mouth besan vegan laddus are ready to be served.